Hello, this is a quick video to show how to center objects in After Effects. This is the first screen in After Effects. We can click here to create a new composition. I will keep this setting and click OK. Now we can add a shape. I will use Ellipse tool to make a perfect circle. Click Shift and drag to make a perfect circle. Now we can select the layer. We can check that the anchor point is not in the center of the circle. Now we can go to Layer, Transform, and go to Center Anchor Point in Layer Content. So we move the anchor point to the center of the circle. Now if we want to move the circle into center of composition, we can go to Window and check Align. So we can find the align window here. We can make sure that we choose composition and we can use align horizontally and we can choose align vertically. This is how we can center object in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist Vin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.